Looking for the best electric screwdriver to make your DIY projects faster and easier? You're in the right place. Today, we're checking out top electric screwdrivers that offer excellent torque, long battery life, and user-friendly designs. Whether you're assembling furniture, tackling home repairs, or working on electronics, these tools deliver precision and convenience in one compact package. Stick around to find the perfect electric screwdriver for your needs. The first on the list is the Miniware ES15S screwdriver. The Miniware ES15S is a compact, precision-engineered tool designed for users who need fine control in electronics, watchmaking, or model assembly. Unlike bulky power drills, this screwdriver excels at delicate work with adjustable torque settings that range from ultra-low to moderate levels. The high-efficiency motor ensures smooth rotation and precise torque application, making it perfect for circuit boards, laptops, and other sensitive components. One of its standout features is the OLED digital display, which provides real-time torque and mode information, giving you unparalleled control over your work. The intelligent motion control system automatically starts or stops rotation based on wrist movement, ensuring effortless operation. Overall, the ES15S is a high-precision screwdriver tailored for tech lovers and professionals who demand accuracy, comfort, and innovation in one sleek package. Next up is the Deco cordless drill screwdriver. The Deco cordless screwdriver stands out for its combination of versatility, power, and affordability, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Available in 12V, 16V, and 20V options, you can choose the one that best suits your needs. It delivers impressive torque performance, allowing you to handle everything from delicate screw fastening to heavy-duty drilling. The high-speed motor ensures consistent power delivery, making it suitable for wood, metal, and plastic applications. The ergonomic design is another highlight. Its compact and lightweight build reduces fatigue during long hours of work, while the anti-slip rubberized grip ensures comfort and control. The built-in LED light brightens dark workspaces, enhancing accuracy when working in tight corners or low-light conditions. Overall, the Deco cordless screwdriver is a well-rounded performer, offering great battery life, solid torque, and comfort at an affordable price. Ideal for both household repairs and professional projects. Next, we have the Xiaomi Mijia brushless electric drill screwdriver. The Xiaomi Mijia screwdriver blends modern design with serious performance, creating a powerful yet user-friendly cordless tool for everyday tasks. With its brushless motor technology, it offers smooth torque delivery, reduced noise, and longer service life. The maximum torque output makes it capable of driving screws into wood, plastic, and even light metals without strain. The screwdriver's integrated smart torque control automatically adjusts output depending on the resistance, ensuring screws are driven perfectly every time. This eliminates over-tightening or thread damage, making it a great option for both DIY projects and professional tasks. Overall, the Xiaomi Mijia screwdriver offers premium build quality, smart torque management, and impressive battery efficiency, making it one of the most advanced options for those who value both design and performance. Next, we have the Chigo brushless electric screwdriver. The Chigo cordless screwdriver is a powerful yet budget-friendly tool that delivers exceptional performance with a high-torque brushless motor. This motor design not only boosts efficiency, but also extends the tool's lifespan by minimizing heat and friction. It's a great choice for tasks that require consistent power, like assembling furniture, repairing electronics, or drilling into wood and metal. The multi-speed control system lets you fine-tune the rotation speed for different materials, ensuring precision and control in every job. The ergonomic handle fits comfortably in hand, while the lightweight frame makes it easy to maneuver, even in tight spots. Overall, the Chigo screwdriver provides excellent torque control, energy efficiency, and build quality, making it a solid, affordable option for both beginners and seasoned users. The last one on our list is the DeWalt DCF-887 cordless screwdriver. When it comes to power and professional-grade performance, the DeWalt DCF-887 stands out as a top-tier tool. Built for serious contractors and craftsmen, it features a high-efficiency brushless motor that delivers impressive torque output for demanding tasks. It's capable of handling everything from heavy-duty assembly to fast-paced construction jobs with unmatched precision. What sets it apart is the 3-speed control system, allowing users to switch between low, medium, and high-torque settings for different materials. This adaptability ensures accuracy and prevents damage during delicate work. Overall, the DCF-887 delivers professional-level torque, durable construction, and intelligent speed control, making it one of the most reliable cordless screwdrivers for serious professionals and home users who want the best in performance. So, that wraps up our list of the best electric screwdriver you can get right now. If this video helped you find the right screwdriver for your needs, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more gear reviews and guides. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected and keep building.